Kiddos, welcome to this week where we are looking at adding and subtracting integers. As a reminder, you have that beautiful, glorious, magnificent anchor chart, which gives you reminders of what you are going to be doing. But I also did stick them up here. If we have the same sign, it's a sum, we're going to add them. Different sign, difference, we subtract them. So starting here, I like to just go front to back and pair them. 53 and 10, different sign, difference. So I subtract them and get 43. Bigger number is positive, so that 43 is positive. Again, subtracting because they're different. 43 minus 5 is 38. Bigger number is positive, so that 38 is positive. Down here, we're subtracting the opposites. 12 minus 3 is 9. It's negative because the bigger number is negative. Same sign sum, 97 plus 9 is 106, and it's growing in its negativity. Opposites subtract. 88 minus 50 is 38. Bigger sign is positive. Opposites subtract. 41 minus 38 is 3. Bigger number is negative. Remember, you can always put the bigger number on top. The sign is coming from our question. So flip them, make it make sense to your brain, and then do your regular subtraction with borrowing. Let's go back up to the top here, going down the second side. We have opposites, we subtract. 55 minus 9 is 46. It's negative. And then same sign sum, 46 plus 30 is 76, growing in its negativity. 73 minus 19 is 54, it's positive. And then 57 minus 54 is 3. Bigger one is negative, so that 3 is negative. Coming down here, opposite subtract. 33 minus 25 is 8. It's negative. Same sign sum, 8 and 8 is 16, growing in its negativity. If you have questions on the first page, please go ahead and bring them with you to class. All right, on to the second page, still looking at adding those integers. Same sign sum, 41 plus 32 is 73. Add 20 more, you're at 93, and that 93 is positive. Opposite sign subtract, or different sign difference. 84 minus 58 is 26. It's positive. 26 plus 72 is 98. Same sign sum. 61 plus 26 is 87. It's negative. Opposite subtract. 87 minus 81 is 6. And that is still negative. Coming back up to the top, going down the other side. Opposite subtract. 49 minus 38 is 11. It's positive. 52 minus 11 is 41. It's negative. Same sign sum. 38 plus 76 is 114. Growing in its negativity. 114 plus 96 is 210. Super negative. Over here, subtract those opposites. 99 minus 81 is 18. It's negative. 52 minus 18 is 34. It's positive. Any questions you might have on page 2, please go ahead and bring them with you to class. All right, if you are on this page, it means that you've completed day 2 of your class, and we talked about subtracting with the keep, change, change. We talked about how important it is that you're actually physically going in and doing your keep, change, change. Keep, change, change, because that is going to help our brain make those connections between what we need to do. And then we're going back to what we did on the first day. Same sign sum. When I add these together, I get 53. Different sign difference. When I subtract these, I get 21. It's positive. Keep, change, change. Keep, change, change. Same sign, we add them. Same sign, we add them. 143, but that 143 is negative. Keep, change, change. Keep, change, change. Opposites subtract. Same signs add. Negative 57. Going up to the top here. I'm doing our keep, change, change. Keep, change, change. Same signs add. Same signs add. negative 167. Keep, change, change. Whoop, that needs to look like a plus. Keep, change, change. Opposites, subtract, bigger numbers positive. Subtract again, bigger number is positive, positive 29 on that one. Coming down, keep, change, change. Keep, change, change. Make sure that second number is always becoming its opposite. Same sign, add. Opposite sign, subtract. Positive 74. All right, my darling loves, page 4 is looking at some PEMDAS or order of operations. So reminder up here of what we need to do. And then we just need to do it. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to start with my parentheses. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Keep, change, change. 4 and 2, opposites subtract. This becomes negative 2. I'm going to bring everything down. I'm going to come through and do my keep, change, change. Then I'm going to multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. Signs are opposite. It's a negative. And then we're going to add these opposite or these same signs. 14 plus 6 is 20, and it's negative. If you do not remember the rule for multiplication and division, that's okay. We're going to be working on that again next week. Our goal is really the adding and subtracting. When we divide this, we get 24. I'm going to bring everything down. I'm going to come through and do my keep, change, change. And then I have 11 times 6 is 66, bringing everything down. 24 plus 66 is 90, plus 6 more is 96. Remember, you can pause this at any time if you need more time to look at the computation. Starting with our parentheses, we get a 2, bring everything down. I come through and do my keep, change, change, multiplication. It's going to give me a negative 8. 6 plus negative 8 is negative 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bigger number is positive. Coming up here, starting with my parentheses, you'll see these are very similar. We have a 2. I wanted us to practice that keep, change, change here to make sure we didn't get a 0. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 minus 9 is 19. Down here we have an 8 with a keep, change, change, which gives us 10. And then we have 6 times 4 is 24. And then we have negative 14. If you wanted to do the keep, change, change here, absolutely can. Truly does not matter if you do it before or after. Your answer is going to be the same. Down here, we do a keep, change, change. 10 minus 3 is 7. Keep it negative. Bring everything down. Keep, change, change. 9 times 7 is 63. Same signs, it's positive. 10 times 63 is 73, plus 9 is 82. If you have any questions on this page, as always, please bring them with you to class. And then our last page is looking at some word problems. I told you to read them carefully and answer completely. Don't forget to use labels. So this one said the local movie theater reported losses of $475 each day for 3 days. What was the total loss? So they lost $475 on day 1, and on day 2, and on day 3. When I add these all together, it's a loss of 1,425. Remember, losses mean subtraction. We're looking for those keywords. That's what makes this more difficult. What is the balance of a bank account if you have a credit of $84 and a debit of $29? So the 84 is positive. We're subtracting 29. Keep, change, change. 84 minus 29 means I have a balance of $55. And because the 84 is positive, which was our credit, that means I have $55 in that account. You park your car 4 floors below ground level. You board the elevator and go up 7 floors and then down 3 floors. What floor are you on now? So if we're on the 4th floor, or -4, we're four floors below ground level. We go up 7 floors, we're now on floor 3. And if I then go down 3, I'm on 0 or ground level. Okay, if you didn't know it was called ground level, that's okay. You can also say floor 0, ground level. All right, the city's budget is $8 million, but the city spends $12 million. What is their deficit? So we take our 12 million and we subtract our 8 million. We have a deficit of 4 million. And because it's a deficit, make sure that negative sign gets in there. Deficit means they overspent. The balance is negative. Scuba divers swam down 96 feet below the surface of the lake. How deep is he now if he swims 23 feet towards the surface? He is now at negative 73 feet or 73 feet below surface. Either of these would be fine. And then a bird descends at a rate of 5 feet per minute, descending, meaning going down. How long does it take the bird to land on the ground if it is flying 200 feet high? I chose to use division for this one. You do not have to. But if I divide it in, I see that it would be 50 groups of 5 or 50 minutes. It's going to take 50 minutes to return to the ground. Any questions, as always, please go ahead and bring them with you to class.